Okay, this is the walnut, figured walnut veneer as it's been mounted on the tabletop. It all came out pretty good. The overhang was not disturbed. The dark spot you see here is a little bit of glue that I wet wiped off, but I didn't want to take much more time. I'll have to see if I can sand that out to a degree. So this is the seam lines, and this shows the figuring of that. I'm hopeful, if you can see the slanted figure in here, I'm hoping when I put some clear coat on this, it will enhance that, snap that even more. So at this stage, everything's looking pretty good. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.